People in other parts of Hamburg are also cleaning up a lot of damage tonight.
News 4's Ellie Ingersoll continues our team coverage. She joins us live from Kennison Parkway. Ellie?
Don and Jackie, you can see that this window is covered in tarp. The homeowner telling us that the high-speed winds just sucked it out. The window itself still on the ground over here. Shingles also on the ground. They're all over this neighborhood. Trees remain down all around this area. And you can see utility crews, they're still here as well. They've been here for nearly 6 hours trying to restore power to thousands of people in Hamburg who remain without it this evening. Now, residents are reporting that high winds coming through this neighborhood very quickly this afternoon, telling us the sky turned black and the winds began whipping. Some telling us they heard a roar, describing it like a freight train passing through. Police tell us they're grateful to report that there weren't any injuries during this event. The town itself remains in a state of an emergency right now, as there are thousands of dollars worth of damage to homes and property here.
Everything is damaged. The shed is gone in the back by the pool. All the pool furniture is in the bottom of the pool. This main window is knocked out with the garbage can, so there's glass all over the house. Luckily, the house is divided into 2 parts, so I really have living facilities upstairs still. So it's a mess. It kind of looks like it just came down to my yard.
This terrible thing happened, but what could you do? I guess that's nature. The whole canopy went. There it is, all jumbled up.
Some people here are reporting flooding in their basements too, and they're telling us that their insurance companies are telling them to document everything thoroughly, but don't really start cleaning up until an adjuster can get out and really assess the situation. Now, as you can see, National Grid crews remain on scene here. They've been here for several hours working to restore power. They are telling us it'll probably be another hour to 2 hours until power is restored to everybody in this part of Hamburg.